Today we're taking a look at this 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SE wheelchair accessible van, equipped with a BraunAbility rear entry manual fold-out ramp system. If you're looking for a spacious, dependable, and easy-to-use wheelchair accessible van, this Grand Caravan is a great option. It offers low mileage, a trusted BraunAbility conversion, and an extra roomy rear entry layout designed to make wheelchair access simple and convenient. This van has only a little over 44,000 miles, giving it excellent value with plenty of dependable service ahead. It's powered by Dodge's reliable 3.6-liter V6 engine, delivering smooth performance for daily driving, appointments, errands, family trips, or transportation use. On the outside, this Grand Caravan has a clean, modern gray exterior. Inside, you'll find a durable black cloth interior that is comfortable, practical, and easy to maintain. Now let's take a closer look at the accessibility features. This van is equipped with a BraunAbility rear entry conversion and a manual fold-out ramp. BraunAbility is one of the most trusted names in wheelchair accessible vehicle conversions, known for quality, reliability, and user-friendly design. With an extra wide ramp, it makes loading and unloading wheelchairs and power chairs easier, especially for larger mobility devices. One of the biggest benefits of a rear entry wheelchair van is convenience. Since the ramp deploys from the back of the vehicle, you don't need extra space on the side like you would with a side entry ramp. That makes this style of van especially useful in parking lots, driveways, tighter spaces, and everyday travel situations. What really makes this Grand Caravan stand out is the combination of the low mileage, the BraunAbility engineering, and exceptional interior space. That extra wide ramp, long lowered floor, and simple manual operation make this van a strong choice for wheelchair users, families, caregivers, and transportation providers. If you're interested in this wheelchair accessible van, contact Automobility store today. We offer financing options, warranty options, nationwide delivery, and real mobility specialists who are here to help you find the right vehicle for your needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other wheelchair accessible vans here at automobilitystore.com.